Discover excellence with JFL Media Training, your go-to partner for tailor-made Adobe InDesign courses designed specifically for businesses and customized to suit your unique projects. Choose a collaborative and dynamic training experience that enables your teams to master Adobe InDesign in no time, while working together on real projects for your company. Accelerate your growth and strengthen your visual identity with our Adobe InDesign courses, designed to meet your company's specific needs and optimize your efficiency in creating communication materials. Don't miss the opportunity to boost your team's productivity and creativity with Adobe InDesign courses offered by JFL Media Training, a leader in professional training. Provide your employees with a high-quality, personalized Adobe InDesign training experience, delivered by expert trainers from JFL Media Training, who will guide you step by step in achieving your visual communication goals. Experience unmatched flexibility with our courses, allowing you to schedule training at your convenience and pace. Learn from trainers who adapt to your work, ensuring a personalized and efficient learning experience. Save time and money by investing in practical courses that provide immediate value to your company. Give us a call today at 1-866-259-5647 or visit us at www.jfl-media.com.